In this video, I'm going to show you how I cook chicken red curry in the Instant Pot. Right now, I'm browning the chicken using the saute button on the Instant Pot. I put in onions, a little oil, and I've browned both sides of the chicken thighs. We've reached the end of about a 5-minute saute, and they're ready now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add coconut milk, 1 whole can of coconut milk, straight here. And then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of, or really 2 tablespoons of red curry paste. So once the chicken is in the coconut milk with the red curry paste, you can then close the Instant Pot. And I'm going to be pressure cooking it for 20 minutes at high heat. And I'll just have to press start. And it's as easy as that. While that's cooking, you can start cutting vegetables, but I've already done that. Actually, Daphne did it for me. But we're going to add okra, some asparagus, and some red peppers. We don't want to add it while the pressure cooking is going on, because if these vegetables get pressure cooked, all the liquid will end up going into the curry and it'll add a lot of water. So what we'll do is after the 20 minutes of pressure cooking is done, we're going to add the vegetables and just saute them for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften up the vegetables. The great thing about the Instant Pot is you set it and forget it. So once you press start, you can just let it start cooking and leave it. You can be in a room next door or nearby it and wait for that beep for when it's done. And that gives you time to do other things like hang out with the family, or in my case, play the ukulele. I bought this ukulele a couple of years ago, and I've been trying to learn how to play chords on it, sing along with my daughter. It's awesome. Okay, it's done cooking right now, so I'm going to release the pressure and show you what the curry looks like in the Instant Pot. To do that, I just have to open the vent. This is the Instant Pot Max, and everything is touchscreen now. The older models used to have a button nearby there, but this is safer because your hand stays away from the screen. This is very dangerous. Okay, now that the pressure has been released, I can open the Instant Pot and show you what it looks like inside. So it's still simmering right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the saute button, and I'm going to add the vegetables to the curry mix and let it soften the vegetables up. And you only have to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes, but once you're done, it'll be delicious. Keep the lid open, and this will help evaporate some of the extra liquid that might have come during the cooking. Okay, so that's the chicken curry. That's a nice easy recipe for chicken curry in the Instant Pot. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I know that there are other ways to cook chicken curry, so if you have any comments or tips or suggestions, please put them in the comments below. Thanks.